Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to quickly make this heart, I should stop saying quickly, heart coaster, and you need a scissors, your crochet hook, and whichever type of yarn you decide to use. Just make a slip knot and chain 6. Join with a slip stitch into your very first chain and chain 3. I'm going to hide my tail at the same time. Then you're going to make 4 double crochets into that ring, and you're going to chain 3, and you're going to turn your work. In the very first stitch, you're going to make 3 double crochets, and you're going to make 3 double crochets in the very last stitch. You're going to chain 3 and turn your work. In the very first stitch, you're going to make 3 double crochets. In the space between the double crochets, you're going to make 3 double crochets. So the space between the clusters, make a set of 3 double crochets. And in the last stitch, again, 3 double crochets. And that's row 3 done. Row number 4. Chain 3, turn your work, 3 double crochets in the first stitch. And then you're going to make 3 double crochets into the space between the 3 double crochet clusters. And you'll have to do that twice. And in your last stitch again, 3 double crochets, 3 chain and turn your work. Row number 5. 3 double crochet into the first stitch, and then you're going to 3 double crochet into each space between the 3 double crochet clusters. That should give you 3. So you're going to make 3 sets of 3 double crochets across that row, and this is row 5. And then you'll work 3 double crochet into the last stitch. And chain 3 and turn your work. Row 6. 3 chain, and then you're going to make your 3 double crochets in the first space between the clusters. Don't forget first space between the clusters. Then you'll make another 3 double crochets in the next 2 spaces. Well, next 3 spaces. Sorry, next 2 spaces. And you're gonna chain 1. Sorry, you're gonna make my word, the English. You're gonna make 1 double crochet in the last stitch. Chain 3 and turn your work. You will make 3 double crochets in the space between the clusters. You're working on the top part of your heart. You will chain 3 and slip stitch into the space between the clusters. Chain 3, 3 double crochets into the space between the clusters. Three chain, and you're gonna slip stitch into the top of the last double crochet of the previous row. So I'm just correcting that. So that's it. Now you're going to add your border around. So you'll start your border by chaining 1, and you're gonna put 3 single crochets in every 3 chain space, and you're gonna put 3 single crochets in every on the side of every stitch. You know, the long part of your stitch, you're gonna make 3. So for every row you'll have 3 single crochets until you get to the bottom where you started with that circle. In that circle you're going to make 6 single crochets, and the same way that you did the other side with 3 single crochets per row, you're going to do that along the side. I'm going to meet you further up, which I'm going to show you exactly where I'm going to meet you. Right there. So into the 3 chain space we'll put 3 chain. Now you're going to put in the first stitch 1 half a double crochet, in the second stitch 1 double crochet, in the third stitch 1 half double crochet. In the 3 chain space you're going to make 3 single crochets. In between that you're going to make a slip stitch where you go through both rows. 3 single crochets, and you're going to repeat it. You're going to repeat the half double crochet, 1 double crochet, half double crochet, followed by 3 single crochets, slip stitch into your first chain 1, cut your yarn and work your tail away. And that's basically done. Just make sure to work your tail away. I'm so sorry, I'm not feeling my greatest today. I feel the flu coming along and I'm busy taking some meds for it. Hence, my English seems to have defeated me because I just cannot find the words today to actually explain myself. If you try this, I hope you do. Please tag me, let me know, drop me a comment, share, subscribe, click notifications. And I will be posting more. Thank you so much for your time. And this is what we made. I'll see you on the next video. Queen Phoenix out.